been working out a pattern for these polyhedrons, and I've colored the pennies with a Sharpie marker, pink for heads, blue for tails. So you can see no matter where you turn this, has a radial symmetry. It's always the same. There's no top, there's no bottom. But what I really wanted to also do is make a matrix out of these, which would share pennies, which means, heads for one would be tails for the other. Having a radial symmetry gets really complicated. So instead, I worked out another pattern. So this one is clearly not radial, but it is polar. So you have a tails side and a head side, and you have an equator, heads, tails. So there's total symmetry here. But because it's polarized, this symmetry lets me build a larger structure. There's a deep regularity. And that pattern becomes more clear even without the color, without the aid of the pink and green. You can see this has a head side, and the opposite end is a tail side. This is just sort of the first start. See where this takes me.